Make a date with Reverend Dr. Ebenezer Markwei at 6 a.m. from Monday to Saturday on Graphic Online via Facebook and YouTube as he expounds on matters of faith. Graphic Online, truth and accuracy every day.
Hello, this is Reverend Dr. Ebenezer Markwei of Living Streams International, bringing you matters of faith with Graphic Online. And this morning, I'd like to capture my thoughts with the words sneeze intolerance. Sneeze, like achoo, sneeze intolerance. And I'm talking about the story between Ahab and Jehoshaphat when he was going to war and he wanted a prophetic direction. And then he asked, so what is the mind of God? What is God saying concerning this war? 400 prophets under Zedekiah, the son of Chenaanah, or something like that. They all came and they were prophesying and saying Ahab should go to war. And then Jehoshaphat comes up and says, are these all the prophets? So there's one man who doesn't speak well of me. He said, he doesn't speak well of me, so I'm reluctant to get him to prophesy. And Joseph, I don't say that. Let him come and prophesy. And of course, when he came, he prophesied the contrary. You know one thing? Sneeze intolerance. Ahab could not tolerate Micaiah because he speaks contrary. Because Micaiah is the voice of the contrary. Is the voice of objectivity. So Ahab said he never does say nice things about me. Why is it that we always want to be surrounded by people who say nice things, like lapdogs? Why is it that we people in positions of prominence always want lapdogs? That is people who, we beat them out of the zone of objectivity, and all that we hear is a yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Even in fact that when the king is naked, they cannot say that the king is naked. Why is it that people in positions of prominence, that is leadership, spiritual, secular, whatever it is, why is it that we are troubled by the voice of objectivity? Why is it that we don't want it? We don't want to hear, and because they speak contrary. Should everything be yes sir? Should everything be okay? Should everything be agreed? Are we not aware that, like I said, objectivity is not rejection or rebellion? And objectivity places us in a position for other viewpoints. And for those other viewpoints to be expressed so that we can deal with it. Maybe there's a modicum of truth in what that objective rule brings. People should not sneeze. So we can't tolerate their sneeze. So everybody shut up. That's poor leadership. That's poor leadership. And it is sad that we are more comfortable with that style of leadership than working with people who will speak the truth to us. Everybody in a position of prominence, you need people who will look at you in the face and speak the truth to you. And they are not enemies. They love you best for speaking the truth to you. Or maybe surround yourself with people who just speak pleasant platitudes and give you palliatives of pleasure. But you need people too who will speak contrary. And we must be able to tolerate them. It's a test of our maturity to tolerate objectivity. Well, this is my viewpoint. Choices are yours. See you there.